Hey guys, so today we're gonna review two different kind of USB tools here that you can put in your keychain. I got them from AliExpress. They were about like $3-4 each, maybe around that. I'll link um, I'll link it below their sales page. But the first one, or this one here, they're both similar in the way that you can put them in the keychain, but this one is far longer, as you can see, and has a little bit of a different kind of cover, but it's pretty sturdy. Like, your cable won't go anywhere. Same with this one. I'm pushing pretty hard here with my hand, even though it's just one hand, but see the keychain here, or the key ring, it's also pretty sturdy. It won't break with normal use. Same here, this one is way bigger, so there's no way you're gonna break that. The leather here will probably break before the ring breaks. Well, this one you can let's see here, there. It's easy to put in there and take it away. Like, you just have to do it. Push down this part of the ring here, and you will get it out easily. So, how do they work? Well, this one has a mechanic here that you push down on. See, it's kind of hard to do one-handed. There, I was able to do it. So it comes out like this, and then you can kind of pull that one out, and here you got your cable. This for emergency charging, and then you push it like this, and there you go. You have it back in there. So it's kind of convenient and easy to use. It's not hard to get it out of there, and it won't fall out of there if it sits in your pocket. I mean, it's pretty, you can't just pull it out from there without pushing down these, and these don't get pushed in your pocket just randomly. At least they shouldn't. Okay, here this one is a little bit different. As you can see, it's just a cable here that leads in here, so you have to pull this thing out. Excuse me guys, there, sorry about that. You have to pull that thing out, and then you go to your cable that you can use. Now you can of course replace this cable way easier than this, but it's not as convenient to put in the cable here every time. It's hard to do there one-handed. So these are just some USB charger cables that you might want to consider if you don't want to carry around this all the time, and you still have you're still carrying your keys, so you don't want to carry around an extra cable. You could use these. Just put it in your key rings and you're ready to go. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.